Welcome. Let's breathe. For this breath work, you're going to be breathing in and out through your mouth. So make an O shape with your mouth and imagine you're sucking in air through a large straw. It's going to sound like this. And then allow the exhale to be short and sharp out of your mouth, which will sound like this. Remember to draw the breath deep down into your belly. Strong, deep, powerful breaths. Let's start with an exhale. Ready? In, out, in, out, breathing through the mouth, feeling your belly expand. Give it everything you've got. Draw the energy deep into your body. Breathe. And take a deep inhale. Hold your breath. Relax. Feel the energy moving through your body. And exhale. Hold the breath. And inhale. Return to your natural breath as we prepare for round 2. Let's bring the energy. Exhale. In, out, in, out. Draw the breath deep down into your belly. How much air can you draw into your body? Strong, powerful, deep breaths. Keep going. Almost there. And exhale. Return to your natural breath. Coming into round 3, we're going to go double speed. If it's too much, return to the slower version. Otherwise, let's go. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Almost there. Keep going. Push past your comfort zone. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. 3 more. 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and hold your breath. Keep holding your breath, but relax your body. Soften. Let go. And exhale slowly out of your mouth. Hold your breath. Rest in the breathless state. And breathe in. Return to your natural breath. Notice the shift in your body and mind. Thank you so much for breathing with me today.